following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Western Bergen, and Western Essex, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Northern Westchester, and in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield. Winter storm warning in effect from noon Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch expected. Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey, southern Connecticut, and the lower Hudson Valley in New York. When? From noon Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. For the following areas in Connecticut.
Well, that just scared the heck out of me.
Flash flood watch in effect from 1
Here we
a.m.
go.
through Sunday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas in southern Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven, and southern New London. In northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Essex, and western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, northeastern Suffolk, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northwestern Suffolk, Staten Island, southeastern Suffolk, southern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Westchester, and southwestern Suffolk. From 1 a.m. Sunday through Sunday afternoon, a storm system approaches tonight and passes across the area Sunday. A wintry mix this evening will change over to rain across the watched area and will be heavy at times overnight and into Sunday morning. Total amounts of 1½ to 2½ inches is possible, which may result in flooding of urban areas and flashy streams. Any freshwater flooding will be exacerbated by coastal flooding during the Sunday morning high tide. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop to lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Wow. Yes! More storm warning!
Storm warning in effect until 7 Heavy mixed wind shear precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch expected. Areas affected include Hartford, Connecticut County. Hazardous
Oh my
weather
gosh!
conditions are expected until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become very difficult. Now for the official. Hartford, winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy mixed wind shear precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch expected. Where? Hartford, Connecticut
Took
County.
a bit while for up when you do it.
Until 7 p.m. Sunday. Additional details: power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become very difficult. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Flash flood watch remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday. What? Significant icing. Very cold wind chills expected. Additional ice accumulations of 1/10 to 2/10. Wind chills as low as 20 below zero expected. Where? Northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, and northern Middlesex counties. When? For the winter storm warning until 6 p.m. this evening. For the wind chill advisory from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday. Additional details: Hazardous travel is expected due to icy roads. Gusty winds can bring down tree limbs and power lines due to ice accumulation. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. A wind chill advisory means that cold air and the wind will combine to create low wind chills. Frostbite and hypothermia can occur if precautions are not taken. Make sure you wear a hat and gloves. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
This be. Ooh, a special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Morges Inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 40 nautical miles, Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Taconic and Gardiner's Bays, until 12:30 p.m. Very cold air moving out over the waters around eastern Long Island has already produced isolated waterspouts. More waterspouts may be possible into early this afternoon.
Dang!
Hazard, waterspouts. Source, spotter video. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats.
Wow.
Here is the forecast for Southwest.
Wow. I did not think that would happen.